Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can adjust your foreground to your background. And before I start, I want to say sorry if there's any loud noises in the background. I cannot control that, unfortunately. It is outside. I don't know what they're doing, but let's just get started with the video. I'm just going to press new project. And for the background, I actually want to take some from stock videos, and I am just going to choose this as an example and press add. I'm just going to change the format first. Okay. Then I'm going to go back and add an overlay. So again, go back to the home page, go to overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to select a foreground video with a green screen. Okay, then I am going to press Chroma Key and select the green bit and intensity around this much, and you want to play around with the shadow too. So let me just play around with it a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's loading pretty long. I don't know why. Oh, that's too much. I think this around 10 is enough, but just adjust it however. Just going to zoom in a little bit so we don't see that part. Then I'm going to press adjust, and I'm going to sort of make the contrast higher. I'm just going to sort of adjust it to the background so it blends a lot more. As you can see, there's a lot of pink shades in it. So for temperature, I'm going to sort of the warm side, and also hue, I'm going to the right rather than to the green part. As you can see, it makes the foreground of the video pinker. Just adjust it to your liking. I think this is a little bit too bright for me, actually. Where's the shadow part? And here's the final result. I feel like now it blends more with the background. You obviously need to take more of your time on this. Hold on, let me just mute this. Oops, sorry. Okay, and you obviously need more time adjusting the colors from your foreground and your background, but here's the result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!